Hello everyone. Today, we will show you how to make a reservation and assign it to a driver. We can see part of the interaction between the dispatcher and the driver through the process. We are going to make a new transfer reservation by choosing a location, destination, time, vehicle class, and driver. If the transfer is for a client such as a hotel or other agency, we can choose it here and check if the client has confirmed. We can leave a note for the driver if there is something he needs to know regarding the ride and a note for the dispatcher if this is a ride that comes from GNet. In the additional info section, we have an automatically calculated price based on your settings for a particular car, which can be manually changed. You can edit currency and payment methods, add waiting time, and enter a flight number, which the driver can check through the app to get updates on the plane's whereabouts with just one click. In the waiting board text field, you can enter the name of the person the driver is picking up at the airport, and the driver can use his phone as a waiting board with the name automatically displayed on it. You can check this box if the ride is paid and if the ride is mandatory. If it is mandatory, the driver will not have a choice to approve or decline the ride. Next, you can add stops if there are any and add passengers with their info so they will receive their booking confirmation and details. At the end, you can add attachments if necessary. Once we create a ride, the driver immediately receives a notification on his mobile phone. He can see all the information about the ride. In the transfers section, the driver will be able to see all of his upcoming rides. If the dispatcher wants to check the driver's location, they simply go to the GPS map and send the driver a notification to open his app. As soon as the driver opens his app, the dispatcher will see his exact location on the map. Simple as that. That would be all for today. Stay tuned for more videos.